In this video, we will show you how to lock a folder on Windows operating systems. To lock a folder on Windows operating system, we can use WareData Folder Protectors. You can just open WareData.com and select Tools and select WareData Folder Protector. After you click WareData Folder Protector, just download the file by clicking on this button. And we can download this WareData Folder Protector by clicking these download buttons. Maybe you will have notification this file is content virus. Actually, this file is safe because it changed the folder permissions. The browser is false flag to think this is a virus. This application is clean, and also we don't have a certificate because certificates is very expensive, so we don't use the certificates. We can just click allow download like this to letting the browser download these files. After that, we can just install the files. Then click more info here and select run anyway. And click accept the agreement and click next. And click next again and click next. Just click install. After that, we can launch the WareData Folder Protector here. Okay, for example, we have my video folder. Okay, on the desktop, we want to protect it. Just click lock folder and select the desktop and select my video. Double click on my video folder and then click open. Type the password, for example 123, and click OK. Now our my video folder has been locked and hidden. Because if we want to unlock this folder, we cannot sync on the desktop because it's hidden. How to showing the hidden folder like that? Just select on your file explorer, okay, and make sure on the view and show the hidden items is checked like this, and you can see the my video is showing again. But if we double click here, the access is denied because it's protected. How if my video folder is still not appear? You can make sure on the three dots icon here and select options and select view. Okay, looks at the hide protected operating system files. Don't tick these items, okay? And your my video folder will show again. Okay, if this is still ticked like this, you can see the my video will hidden. Just untick this and click yes and click apply. Now the my video is showing but with the protected ones. Okay, if you want to just hide just using these features, okay, like this. Now we can showing again to try to unlock our hidden folders and protected folders. And using my video and click OK. If we type the wrong password, for example, wrong password or corrupted files, it still cannot open our protected folder because it's using the password. If you want to try again, still denied. So the password must be correct. Okay, let's try again. Using the OK button and select the correct password and click OK. Now my video is back. Okay, to check what folder you just protect, you can tick the check lock here. You can see there. I already protect many folder on my device in this case. If you don't want, for your privacy, you can also clear the lock. But you must remember the password and the paths of your folders that you just protect, so you can unprotect them later. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.